The Cuisinart air fryer convection oven is a healthy way to fry. It allows you to air fry right in the oven using little or no oil, and it's extremely healthy. I'm going to be preparing a beautiful broiled hamburger, and you can see by looking inside the capacity of the air fryer will allow me to do 4 large hamburgers. Let's get started. With my burgers prepared and put in the air fry rack, it's ready to go into the air fryer. And I want to show you the functions. So you can see there's 2 levels, 1 and 2. I'm going to use level 2, and I'm going to use the supplied bake pan, or in this case, it's going to act as a drip tray, which is perfect because any of the excess fat is going to end up in the tray rather than in my dish. With 1800 watts, there's plenty of power to air fry, bake, broil, and to toast. And this simple burger recipe is finished to perfection. The best part is all the fat is left in the bottom of that drip pan.